Welcome to Breathtaking channel. In this video we present the most incredible luxury vacations around the world. If you're looking to go all out for your next vacation, these especially luxurious trips are sure to fit the bill. The first luxury destination is Turtle Island, Fiji. After Turtle Island was thrust in the spotlight as the location of the 1980 film The Blue Lagoon, it became world famous for its pristine blue waters and fabulous beaches, as well as a very exclusive tourist destination able to accommodate just 14 couples at any one time. It perfectly captures the true romance of the South Pacific with its tranquil beauty, exotic flavors and ultra-luxe brewers, the Fijian word for a wooden straw hut, with views of the Blue Lagoon. Enjoy 14 secluded beaches, moonlit dinners at the edge of the sea, romantic picnics for two and horseback riding at sunrise. There are lots of water-based activities too, like diving, snorkeling and swimming. Each one of the private abodes features 1,500 square feet of living space. The second luxury destination is Bora Bora. Bora Bora is a tiny island in French Polynesia, and one of the most well-known for its luxury hotels and experiences. The average night on the island is around $800, although that does include meals. Not surprisingly, Bora Bora tends to draw a number of celebrities and business elite, who are seeking the best of the best, and you'll be able to enjoy the trip of a lifetime if you can afford it. The Hilton Bora Bora Nui is ideal for beach and water lovers, with some of the best coral nearest Polynesian designed overwater bungalows. All you'll have to do is walk and step into the brilliant undersea world. The third luxury destination is Guana Island, British Virgin Islands. Guana Island is a private 850-acre resort island in the British Virgin Islands, known as a playground for Britain's wealthy. You'll have the chance to enjoy one of the most peaceful, relaxing vacations of your life. You can spend your days lounging in a hammock and sipping exotic drinks, enjoying the 7 powdery white sand beaches practically all to yourself. You can get more active by going snorkeling in the clear, warm azure waters that are filled with a wealth of marine life, hiking, and taking yoga or tennis lessons. The all-inclusive experience includes a sea view cottage with 3 meals per day, including outstanding gourmet offerings at the on-site restaurant, as well as snacks, wine and use of all facilities. The fourth destination is Musha Cay and the islands of Copperfield Bay. Musha Cay and the islands of Copperfield Bay, yes, that David Copperfield, are part of the Exumas, as a collection of 11 picture-perfect isles. You don't have to worry about bumping elbows at this top luxury resort in the Caribbean. Musha Cay in the Bahamas epitomizes a magical paradise in every way possible, with 40 white sand beaches lined with native flora and fauna. This is a small, exclusive resort that accommodates just a couple dozen guests and luxurious beach houses. You can savor and enjoy delicious fresh cuisine caught from the neighboring sea, after exploring the area of a jet ski or snorkeling adventure. The fifth destination is Intercontinental Hayman Island Resort, Whitsunday Islands. Hayman Island is a stunning private island in Australia, offering a premier location with a front row seat to the Great Barrier Reef. It's set right within the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park, stretching for more than 1,400 miles along the Queensland coast in the Whitsunday Islands, internationally renowned as one of the most magnificent stretches of tropical coastline on the planet. A stay on this island means lots of attention to detail, an elegant resort living set within 3 distinct areas, each designed to make the most of the awe-inspiring island views and natural surroundings. Feast on innovative cuisine in a variety of restaurants and take part in all sorts of thrilling activities including helicopter and seaplane adventures, diving, snorkeling, fishing, kayaking, sailing and more. The resort also features the Hayman Spa, a fitness center, tennis courts, and an indoor golf simulator. The sixth destination is Aljogi, Kenya. Aljogi is a private family ranch, owned by the Wildenstein family, offering the best of the best when it comes to African safari escapes. Very upscale, there are luxurious touches throughout its cottage suites, like sumptuous Hermes linens and perfectly polished Buxalati silver. The highlight, of course, is the wildlife, and as it's set on 58,000 privately owned, protected areas. It's home to 64 of the less than 1,000 black rhinos that remain in East Africa, thanks to its conservation efforts. All profits go to support them, as well as some 500 elephants, depending on the season. Activities include walks with baboons, game drives, horseback riding and more. The seventh destination is Hana Maui Resort, Hawaii. Hana Maui Resort is one of the most luxurious resorts on Maui, located in the peaceful town of Hana, set among lush rolling fields and palm trees overlooking Kaihululu Bay. Each of its guest rooms, suites, bungalows and family residences has a private lanai and full or partial ocean views, and is designed without clocks, radios, or TVs. There's also an on-site restaurant serving farm-to-table fare, an indoor and outdoor spa, a yoga center and pavilion, and a wellness center. The eighth destination is Nahi Sumba, Indonesia. Located on remote Sumba Island, about an hour's flight from Bali, it offers the ultimate in luxuries, while being a sustainable, environmentally friendly property. The all-inclusive rates include mouthwatering meals, drinks, a complimentary minibar, and many of the activities on offer, including snorkeling when the turquoise waters that edge it are calm, and world-class surfing when a swell rolls in. There are also unique cultural experiences that include a visit to the local villages and markets for local arts and crafts, monumental megalithic burial sites, and more. Each residence, available in 1 to 5 bedroom options, includes private pools that overlook the beach and the sea, canopy beds, and your own private butler. The 9th destination is Mykonos Grand Hotel and Resort. Mykonos is one of the most cosmopolitan of the Greek islands, a destination that attracts VIPs from around the world. Visitors can expect to find many high-end shopping venues, fine dining restaurants, and some of the best nightlife in the world. The Mykonos Grand Hotel and Resort is the perfect spot to base your stay for enjoying luxury and jaw-dropping scenery, set right along the sands of Agios Ionis Beach. Scattered between cobbled paths, the rooms and suites blend Cycladic architecture with soothing interior decor, while opening out to balconies or patios with pool, garden, or sea views. The property also has its own private beach, an outdoor pool, hot tub, spa, gym, and amphitheater where yoga classes are offered. The last destination is Azure Lodge, Queenstown, South Island, New Zealand. Located in one of the world's most breathtaking destinations, Azure Lodge is perched on a hillside, showcasing the beauty of the Queenstown region, just 2 miles from town, while providing easy access to the many activities that await in the country's adventure capital. Look forward to whitewater rafting, jet boating, bungee jumping, skydiving, and zip lining, or more gentle pursuits like hiking and biking. Made up of villa accommodation, all include bathrooms with rainforest showers, double spa baths, and huge windows that bring the outdoors in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. Thank you for watching. Come visit us again. See you soon.